Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into a debate that's been going on for years, PC gaming versus console gaming. Both platforms have their pros and cons, but which one is better? Let's find out. Firstly, let's talk about the pros of PC gaming. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to customize your gaming experience. You can upgrade your hardware, choose your peripherals, and even modify your games. PC gaming also offers better graphics and higher frame rates, giving you a more immersive experience. Another benefit of PC gaming is the vast library of games available. From classic titles to new releases, the PC has it all. And with digital distribution platforms like Steam and GOG, it's never been easier to access and purchase games. On the other hand, console gaming has its own set of advantages. One of the biggest is affordability. Consoles are much cheaper than gaming PCs and are easier to set up. You don't have to worry about hardware compatibility or system requirements, as everything is designed to work together out of the box. Consoles also have a more streamlined gaming experience. You don't have to worry about updating drivers, tweaking settings, or dealing with compatibility issues. You simply pop in the disc and start playing. Now, let's talk about some of the cons of each platform. With PC gaming, the cost can be a significant disadvantage. Building a high-end gaming PC can cost thousands of dollars, and even mid-range PCs can be expensive. There's also a learning curve involved with building and maintaining a PC. Additionally, some PC games can be prone to bugs and compatibility issues. It's not uncommon to spend hours troubleshooting and tweaking settings just to get a game to work properly. As for console gaming, the limited customization options can be a downside for some gamers. You can't upgrade the hardware or customize your peripherals, which can be frustrating for those who like to personalize their gaming experience. Consoles also tend to have fewer games available compared to PC. So, which one is better? Well, it ultimately comes down to personal preference. If you value customization, performance, and a wide selection of games, PC gaming might be the way to go. If you want a more affordable and streamlined gaming experience, consoles are the way to go. In the end, both platforms have their unique strengths and weaknesses. It's up to you to decide which one is right for you. Let us know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. In conclusion, the debate between PC gaming and console gaming will continue to rage. Both platforms have their unique strengths and weaknesses, and the choice ultimately comes down to personal preference. Whether you're a PC gamer or a console gamer, the important thing is to enjoy the games you play and have fun. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.